Let's go. Beuh. Kawasaki W berapa deh? Ih, ada motor lagi tuh.
Hey, Victor Vance. Wow, did anyone ever tell you got a really dumb name?
Damn, damn.
No one's ever mentioned that before.
Oh my! Look at that. Hey, is that legal?
Banyakan ngelem
Animals give
anjir.
consent?
I don't know.
Ngomongnya.
Listen, Jerry, can you stash that weed somewhere
Weed?
else?
What weed? I'm shitting with you. Come on, having fun. Rock and roll. Oh, would you fucking relax, my friend?
Look, I'm not some idiot that you could just...
I never called you an idiot. Oh, look at that. Oh, now she got a pig and a horse.
Wah, nih shading nih. Kebanyakan nih.
These sucks. That's some guy's dog.
Boleh tentara kayak gitu ya?
You listen, huh? Oh, dude, will you look at that? Man, I
GTA
gotta
itu kan
delay.
parodi guys, parodi dunia nyata.
If you weren't
Yang
such
di
a square,
Amerika.
I'd do you, huh?
Karena Rockstar Amerika kan.
I'm joking. Come
Bener gak sih
on.
Amerika?
This
Iya
is
bener
the
Amerika.
army,
Pokoknya
not
di
the
negaranya
Navy,
Rockstar.
huh? Hey, listen,
Rockstar
man,
berdiri.
I need a broad, huh? Oh, I need Mary, yeah. Oh, Mary, quite contrary. Oh, come on, man. I need a favor.
I need you to collect your pot, dude.
Sure, I'll go get that from your quarters. You go get married for me, okay? She's over at Vice Sport. Oh, and go see Phil again. He said something about a gift for you.
I don't trust you, Martinez.
Hey, that is not an appropriate way to speak to a superior officer. Now get on with it.
Martinez.
The reefer is under my bed.
Oh, genius. Great hiding place. What are you, 15? Hurry up. Oh, hey, and tell Mary I love her.
Fucking idiot.
Oh.
Gila ya ini orang nih. Medpil. Oh. Motor gue hilang. Gue di sini ini ya. Minggir, Pak. Woi, standing bos, gila bos. Wetet. Banyakan gaya si kunyuk. Jangan so iye dah lu. Minggir. Oh, udah nggak bisa lagi guys, capek. Udah tentara ternyata. Nah, sini berarti kita guys. Ini di depan apa ya? Biasanya kalau markas itu depannya bandara sih, bukan bandara sih. Ya, kayak gitu semacam buat pesawat. Kelamaan gak sih guys? Masalah tempatnya sipil jauh banget. Jauh gak sih? Jauh lah. Ada bintang sih. Kejora anjing. Kira jaglukan anjir. Wait, come on man, here we go. Baik, rusuh nih definisi pengendaraan motor Indonesia. Dia dekat laut aja pokoknya. Yong, seru pas banget parkir depan ini parkirannya.
Hey Vic, how you doing? Martinez wanted me to give you this. Don't worry,
Gokil.
it's non-traceable.
Don't worry. Man, I'm getting too deep into this shit.
Oh, ke bandara nih passport ya? Bukan, passport tuh sih kayak ini guys, apa sih namanya? Kok ada logo ituan sih? Nggak boleh rusak ya? Iya deh, kayaknya nggak boleh rusak dah. Wah, coba kita bisa beli rumah nggak ya di sini guys? Pull up and ask about Mary.
Do you know Mary?
If you want Mary, she's at a party up on Starfish. I'm heading over there myself. You can give me a lift.
Take her to party. Wah, udah gelap
I'm
nih
Mona, by
parah.
the way. If there's anything I can do for you, or to you, just let me know.
Mbak, nggak ada obrolan tipis-tipis kali Mbak sambil jalan. Masa iya Mbak? Nggak ini Mbak. Gila bagus banget guys, sumpah. Tipis-tipis kali Mbak sambil jalan ya kan. Yoks lu. Tipis-tipis Mbak, kita yuk ambil jalan. Sekali. Masih belok kanan. Anjing nggak kelihatan guys, sumpah. Ini kayak di Vice City nih. Oh shit. Aduh, mobilnya bagus-bagus lagi ya.
Thanks for the ride, rugged fella. Maybe I can pay you back in kind later?
I just need to find Mary.
Sure. She's right over there.
Are you Mary? Come on, let's go.
Hey, we paid for her. She's not going anywhere.
Is that a
Ah,
fact?
jeblet ternyata
Come
dia.
on. Let's get this low-life nobody and teach this bitch a lesson too.
Let's do this. Step off. Please, just run away.
Songong lu, jangan bunuh-bunuh Mary lu, hah? Ayo, balik. Sini ikut gua. Mobil yang bagus yang mana ya guys? Ini udah biasa gue lihat
Take
sih.
it easy, Muscles. I've got a delicate disposition.
Kemome. Nyemplung gimana ya? Oh, mobil gue udah rusak juga sih. Berarti kita lewat sini nggak sih guys? Mau mami tuh kan belokannya ngaco. Jangan ngebut kalau belok pak. Sumpah. Iya ke Vice City. Iya emang ini Vice City Story kocak. Aneh-aneh aja sih Jun ya.
Did Martinez send you? That cockroach still owes me from last time.
Ya dia mau mati biasa lah. Now the police juga jenuh kali bro. Hanya dia nyuruh gue jemput motor, lucu sih guys ya. Motor suka hilang sih. Mobil juga kali ya.
Holy shit, I just finished paying for this.
Holy shit lu. Holy wing ada ya. Ini gak kemana lagi guys. Sini aja. Jembatan serbaguna gue nih, jalan utama gue nih. Pikir ada. Wow, masih ada. Gunakan lajur kiri ya, teman-teman. Anjay. Mobil.
Corporal Vance, would you care to explain why there's marijuana hidden under your bed? And who the Sam Hill is this?
Oh,
Hey,
jangan
buddy.
kita di...
Listen, I charge more for Groot.
You brought a whore onto the base? Have you no shame, boy? Are you a moron? Is that
Oh,
it?
kita dijebak ya sama Martinez ya.
Whores, you're out of here, soldier. You're a disgrace.
Wah. Iya, bro. Dicurangi kah kita? Wah, kita dicurangi, bro. Kita difitnah sama ini. Napil nih, bay nih. I forget work. Terus naik apa, guys? Kita udah nggak ada privilege lagi deh. Itu sumpah bagi gue motor sih itu tuh ongkos pulang, Pak. Ini apa? Wah, ada motor ternyata sini. Anjing Supra, bro. Let's go naik Supra. Supra apa bunyi kayak gini anjir? Set pinggir, bro. Minggir, jatuh. Supra nih, bos. Minggir. Anjing kayak motor Spiderman aja. Tahu gak sih lu? Peter Parker, Tobey Maguire. Motor pizzanya kayak gini anjir. Tapi ini bakal jadi ini sih, motor kesayangan gua, motor yang menemani gua di kala anjay susah, cuman dia yang menemani gua. Standing dulu kali, nggak kuat lagi. Set, gaya dulu bos. Set, minggir, set, standing kali. Nggak kuat. Lucu aja. Weh, minggir dong pak, hati-hati pak. Si bapak. Ya Allah, rusak Supra gua. Standing kali bos. Salah, lewatan bro. I need that Supra meh. Save host, oke, save hostnya di sini. Ntar kalau kita ini, kita taruh dulu aja Supra kita. Ini motor kesayangan kita. Gua. Sorry bro ya, ini motor kesayangan gue. Wih, garasinya banyak guys. Iya gak sih? Yang kebuka satu doang. Anjay, the Supra. Let's go. Terus